Please note the disclaimers from our hosting partner. The information provided in the videos is purely for education purpose, in no way either directly or indirectly, verbal, written, or any form. We advise or encourage any action. You are requested to use your own judgment for any action, and we take no responsibility or liability for any of your actions. Let's begin by understanding what is BitConnect. BitConnect is a peer-to-peer lending platform wherein you buy the BitConnect coins and give it for the purpose of lending. If you can see the graph over here, this is the movement of the Bitcoin over a period of time. Now, what the system does is takes to your BitConnect coins and invest it into the Bitcoin, which means that it will buy at a lower price when the Bitcoin has gone down and sell at a higher price. The profit that is made in this process is shared, and that is what you get as interest on a daily basis. Creating an account is very easy. What you have to do is click this link which is shown on this screen below. Once the link is clicked, it will take you to a window safely into a page where the account can be created. So on this registration screen, you have to put your first name, last name, put in the email ID that you would use for the purpose of logging in. Give a name for your account. In this page that you say there's a name we just created, Ali Sahib. That is an account name that you will continue to use. Make sure that you use a very strong password. The password should be at least 10 characters with a combination of letters, characters, and symbols, because make sure that it's not hackable. 10 character password is a safe one. Your sponsor's name will be pre-populated once you have used the link that is shown earlier below on the screen. If it is not, then you can always use sponsor's link as BCCGOA, BCC Goa, BCCGOA. That's a sponsor's link. You create a drop-down, click on the drop-down. It will tell you to put in the phone number. Phone number becomes very important for you. This is the screen that you will see once the details have been pre-populated. The next step that you have to do, you have to click on that icon which is say I'm not a robot. When you click that I am not a robot, you'll have this captcha coming up, which you have to select those images which are matching for what the captcha is asking you, and then you'll come back to this particular screen which is confirming that you are not a system. At the sign up, it will make sure that your email ID is unique. It is not used by anybody other. Also, it will make sure that your username that you are assigning is also unique. Sometimes, like if you try to use user ID which somebody is already taken, then you have to put a new user ID. It's very common with any of the email setup that you have. Once you click to sign up, you'll come to a screen which will tell you, which will ask you to go to your inbox and check to activate this particular registration. I am now in my mailbox, and in this mailbox I can very clearly see that the first line, the email that I see is come from BitConnect. It is saying activate your BitConnect account. What I will do is I will open up this BitConnect email, and once the BitConnect email is opened up, I'll click the activation link. Here I have opened the email, and on the opening of the email I see this link, activation link, which has come from BitConnect. What I have to do simply is just click on that activation link, and it will take me to the BitConnect web page again with the confirmation of activation of the account. Here you see the account is already activated. It's come to the page. Once your account is activated, the next time that you have to do is you have to start using your account. We are at step 2 in the BitConnect account creation. We are at a stage where the account is already registered. We are now going to start using it. You have to keep in mind that BitConnect is not like any other account or membership account that you create. It's an account very similar to your bank account that you have. So the safety and protection of this account is your responsibility. So the first thing that keep in mind that when you want to start using your BitConnect account, make sure that in that link you always type this out. You see a link over here which is https://bitconnect.co. It is not .com, it is .co. There's no .com in that. Please make a note of it. There are a lot of spams that are happening. There are a lot of people's money being lost is because they just randomly go do a Google search, and from a Google search they try to open a BitConnect account. There are cases where people have used Google search and it is taken to them with a wrong link and a spam link. So make sure you make a note of this, and I also explained in the next set of instruction how to create a bookmark for this. Once you have typed in the link in that link bar, the first thing that you'll see when you enter the link, it will show on the left side of the link as SACUR, secure. You are in the right BitConnect page. On the right hand side, you see a star mark over there. You can see if there's an arrow pointing to it. Just click on that. After you have done that, it will create a bookmark for you onto your web browser. A bookmark has been created in the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So in a Google Chrome, this will appear as like this. It will come as a BitConnect community. So what you do is you just click on that on the Google bookmark, or the Bit community bookmark, and you directly now land into the page. Every time you connect to a BitConnect account, make sure you see that secure symbol over there on the left hand side. That will ensure that you are in a very secure website. It's a BitConnect website. And also have a look at the link. It is bitconnect.co. Never forget that. Now that we have safely landed onto the BitConnect web page, there is a form that you will see which will ask you to log in with your email and your password. Just do that and also click on the CAPTCHA which says I'm not a robot. When you log in the first time into your BitConnect account, it will make sure that your account is very secure on its own. So to do that, it will ask you to choose 3 security questions from your drop-down and provide 3 answers for that. These are saved into the system on BitConnect. So every time, anytime you want to change your email, you want to change your code or get any information, these security questions will be asked. Make sure the security questions are not known to anybody, neither the answers are not and very unique to yourself. Here are the set of questions that you will see. You can choose typically, I have chosen who was your childhood hero. Once you have chosen your 3 questions and given answers to your 3 questions, and you have to, once you say add in the box, it will give you a success message which we can see on the screen below there, which says write down your question and save it somewhere. It was for future use. Again, I repeat, make sure the security questions are not something that somebody knows very easily, and also this answer should be something which are very unique and only you know about it. So any common person will not know what are those questions. Congratulations, you have successfully created your BitConnect account. Now you can start transacting your account, but before that you need to load money into the wallet. And in part 3 of this video, we will now see how to load the BitConnect wallet, how to receive Bitcoins, and how to then convert those Bitcoins into BitConnect coins. And to receive money into your account, you have to click on the deposit Bitcoin green color link that you see. What you is actually you transfer Bitcoin into this wallet, and from Bitcoin you exchange that Bitcoins into BCC or BitConnect coins, BCC coins. So there's a process for it. We'll just take it quickly and in the step-by-step manner. What you see on the screen is a QR code and the receiving address. It is my receiving address for the account that I have created. Do not use this particular address because it belongs to me. This address is like your bank account for the receiving bank account, so it's very unique. And when your account is created, you'll have your own receiving address. So do not use this. Use your own address, the one that you'll get after clicking that particular icon under your user ID.
Before we proceed further, in case you have any questions regarding how to get Bitcoins using your local currency, do let me know, because there are some registered providers like ZepPay and others in India who can actually, you can transfer from your bank account, give your PAN card or your income tax card, and that become the ZepPay provider will take the money, and then they will give you Bitcoins in return. If you at the end of this video there is my phone number and contact. Please do send across any queries if you have.
It takes some time to for the Bitcoins to get transferred to the wallet after the sender has sent Bitcoins. Your transaction will be shown as incoming Bitcoin transaction, as you can see on the screen. Don't get panicked if it is not coming immediately. As you can see, I have received 0.25682933 BTCs into my BitConnect wallet. Remember, this is a Bitcoin in my BitConnect wallet, and this is not BitConnect coin. Now, what we have to do is, using this particular Bitcoin that I have into my wallet, I have to buy BitConnect coin. Now, let us do that. To buy the BitConnect coins using the Bitcoin that you have received into your wallet, what you have to do is click on the BCC exchange link onto the website. And then in that, after you have done that, it will take you to the place where you can buy the BCC coins. As you scroll down onto the screen, you will come across the buy and sell BCC option. Look at this in the screen. What you have to do is you have to enter the units, the number of units that you want, and the bid rate will be defined there on the screen, and then your total Bitcoin that you require to buy those coins will appear. You have to do a little math with your calculator. So once you have done it, then click on buy Bitcoin, the green button that you see on the screen. This is a screenshot of my order, open order. What I was doing in this was this is a screenshot of my buy order. Your account will now have BitConnect coins, which you can use for lending. In this example, your account will now have BitConnect coins, which you can use for lending. In this example, and my wallet, I got 8.17632600 Bitcoins. You have now reached to the last part of the video. In this section of the video, you will see how you can lend your BitConnect coins and give it for lending. After you have clicked the dashboard into the main menu, which you see on the left, you will see a screen, and if you scroll down, you will see an option to say lend BitConnect. You just have to click over here and it will take you to a screen where you can do the lending. You have reached the lending screen. You will notice that you have to give only the amount which are multiple of 10. I tried to do 1103 over here. It did not accept because that 03 is not allowed. It can be either 10, 20, 30 or 00, whatever the amount is, but multiple of 10. Second thing, you will notice that there is a lending amount. There is slabs for it. You have slab from 100 to 1000, 1010 to 5000, 5010 to 10,000. Depending on the slab, you get different interest. So if the interest rate is 1.1% and if you put from $100 to $1,000, you get 1.1%. If the interest rate is 1%, 1.1%, and if you give 1,500, then you will get 1.2%. It is 0.1% more than 1.1, which is 1.2%, and so on, as you can see on the screen. Now, the moment I put 1,100, you will notice that the slab between 1,010 and $5,000 is highlighted, which means if the rate is 1.2, I will get 1.3% as the rate that will. Also notice that since I put 1,100, it will be locked in for 239 days. For 239 days, you will not get your money back. You will be getting interest on a daily basis, but money will not come to you till that time. Once you have put the money for lending into the screen, you will get a confirmation window. Make sure you read it thoroughly, each and every line, because once you confirm it, your BitConnect coins are gone for lending. You will not be able to get it for 239 days or whatever that lock-in period is specified for your range. Make sure you read each and every line of this before you press the commit button or confirm button. After you have performed your lending transaction, you'll see a window which will say where that money is gone to. You can see very clearly BitConnect robot trading, which is that, as I said before, there's a system, there's an algorithm which does this lending. When the price of, say for example, when the price drops, it will put this money into Bitcoin. When the price increases, it will sell the Bitcoin that we have purchased and will make profit. That profit comes to us as daily interest. In this, you see that for 1,100 at the rate which was many days back, I've got 8.1529 and the remaining BitConnect coins. It is locked in for 39 days now. 239 days I can't get it back. But definitely whatever interest that comes on daily basis, I will get it. Congratulations, we have reached the end of the video. You can see the amount $1,100 that we have invested. It is showing as active investment. The capital is not released. It says zero capital release. Earned is nothing because we just started over here. You can see that the payment has been completed. You can see the date and time when the payment has gone to the wallet. On the right side, you can see a picture of a robot. That is what it is going to do now. It's going to take our money and invest. Thank you for viewing this video and staying with me till the end of it. I understand this is a very lengthy video, but you have to also take into account that you have to know each and every detail of it. There is no person who will help you to reverse it. If there are any issues, the money is gone to wrong account and it becomes very, very difficult, virtually impossible to get your money back. So if you have any queries, please don't hesitate to call me or WhatsApp me on this number that is shown on the screen. If you have created the account using the link that I have shared earlier, definitely I will be helping you. Thank you very much and see you again soon.